Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add or remove exclusions for Microsoft Defender. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all, we need to go to the Windows Security. I'm going to click on the Start menu, and then I'm going to search for the Windows Security. Okay, this one. And then we're going to go to the virus and threat protection right here. And I'm going to select manage settings under the virus and threat protection settings. All right, and we have to scroll down until we find exclusions and click on add or remove exclusions right here. Okay, click on yes. And then you can click on this option if you want to add an exclusion for the virus and threat protection. And here, as you can see guys, I have added exclusion and I'm going to remove it. If we want to remove it, we can right click on the exclusion we want to remove, and then we can click on remove. Okay, and now the exclusion has been removed. If you want to add exclusion, you can click on add exclusion right here and then select file, folder, or file type or process. I'm going to select file and then I'm going to select this option, for example. Okay, now the exclusion has been added, and if you want to remove, you can right click on it or click on this arrow and then click on remove. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add or remove exclusion for Microsoft Defender. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.